Hey, what is up, guys? So today it's a special day because I am about to install my Skunk2. Yes, I did it. I actually went online, got my freaking exhaust because the one I have, unfortunately, it's broken. So it's a DC Sport. It sounds good. I'll show you a before and after, but you see that hook right there? Oh, actually right here. You see that hook? It broke. Somebody didn't do a good welding job. But other than that, it's not bad. See, it doesn't sound that bad. It's alright. Can't complain. But it's time to upgrade. Alright, after a couple tries, I finally made it in because it wouldn't fit through the back, if you know what I mean. The hole is too small for this big box. Now let's take it and install it. Make sure that shit's safe.
Unbox it, pues?
Oh, see. Alright guys, it's pretty hot out here, but as you can see, I got my exhaust unpacked. Who's that, John? Oh, see. So I noticed that the tip is actually longer than the FG4s, and then I got a little small dent right there. If you can see it, look at that. There's a small dent. God damn.
Fuck, get up. Jackson.
Dude, it's not even on. What?
On the jacket right there.
Does the silencer even make a difference?
Yeah, a little. Just put it on once. It was like way better.
And you screw it on or what?
No, como metes, güey.
Dude, that shit is gonna fall off. Ah, you screw it on.
Well, I don't know how your car sounds a little loud if it has the stock exhaust.
I know, they just cut and put a DC, huh? Yeah, I'm gonna throw that shit. You want it?
Ay, güey.
that's how we're gonna put it on. Cause I think that's how it goes, huh?
Yep.
I think that's how it goes.
This one doesn't go here, fool.
It doesn't?
No, this is a fucking 3.
So then is this one,
The
fool?
3-bolt one.
So then is this one, huh?
That's
Yeah.
3.
Alright. Ahí está.
Dile, pero te
Mira.
dije.
Te dije.
Fool, you didn't tell me.
Well, I told you. I set it up for you. It's like the exhaust.
Yeah.
One eternity later.
No shit, me lo perdí. La pila.
Get off her first.
Next thing you know.
Better not be in gear, mijo.
What, fool? Where's the key?
Back here.
Well, as long as it's
It
by
should
the
read
fire,
it.
should
Yeah, it
reach.
should read it.
Oh, it's the button one?
Alright.
That's not cold start, huh?
No. It was already one.
Oh, but you wanna record it, huh?
It's recording. It smells like skunk. It smells like a skunk.
Like a skunk?
La rejas.
70 for shipping.
All the parts that I've been buying for
Really, huh?
fucking
Yeah, fool. It sounds exactly like mine.
little weird, but some, they
Well,
both
mine-
sound, they both sound gay.